What's up, data? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis of dollar yen. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Dollar yen, as you can see on the intraday time frame, this is a highly bullish market, and we can find a significant trading opportunity in the new trading week. Now, before we discuss what it is, let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis. Then we'll jump onto this time frame to see how we can trade dollar yen. First of all, let's look at bigger picture to see the general direction in the market. Now, if we look at the bigger picture on the monthly, we see that dollar yen past month has created this very strong bullish engulfer. This candle has a really significant, as you can see, it has crossed this narrow dodges low in the downside, grabbed liquidity and created this big push to the upside. Now, as soon as this market opened on the new month, we have seen the buyers didn't make any mistake. They started to buy, as this is a long-term bullish market. And also, if you look at the bottom of this monthly candle, you can see just above this important level of monthly resistance. So with that in mind, this is a very strong bullish market, and we can expect further rise on the higher time frame perspective. Now, if you look at weekly time frame, we see the dollar yen on the weekly. This is the weekly closed candle. This is also another very strong bullish candle. You can see that it has a long wick at the top, and there is a healthy body at the bottom, meaning that we could find a significant bullish trading opportunity on this one. As on this kind of candle on the weekly, we could see a gap opening to the downside, or even without any wick we could see an uprise to fill that wick in this kind of candle. So this is also a bullish market, and you can see a strong bullish momentum to the upside. We can expect dollar yen to go up this week as well. Now, daily perspective, we have seen a daily candle that has a long wick at the bottom after a rejection to the downside, meaning that the buyers are buying in this zone. So we have seen a little bit of retracement. What I think that in new trading week, we might see a higher low has been created, and then we could see a push to the upside on dollar yen. Now, if we look at 4 hour perspective, we have seen the last day of trading week, there was a strong drop. That's a retracement, healthy retracement. After this kind of move, we can expect a healthy retracement, and that is what happened. Now, at this point, what we can expect, dollar yen to come down a little bit, probably in this zone. We could see in the first session of the trading week probably a wickless candle, or if we see any kind of bullish candle in this zone, probably will create a double bottom with a higher low, this kind of price action. If it satisfies the rules of our strategy, so we will consider going long on dollar yen from the zone with a high risk to reward ratio with our students. Now, if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't forget to drop a comment below to help this idea. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.